Number 45. One thing I kind of like about this question is this height. I didn't draw it real great, but that's supposed to represent the height of a tree, which you probably did hundreds of these questions in a geometry class, but in geometry you always assume it's a right angle. And it's probably pretty close to being a right angle, but over time, realistically, it probably does grow slightly not straight. So 94 degrees is more realistic. And it says because of winds. So if we walked 40 meters away from the tree, measured an angle of 30 degrees, we should be able to find the height of the tree. All right, well, when I look at this, I see they gave me an angle, then they gave me a side, and then they gave me an angle. So law of sines is fair game here. You could use law of cosines if you'd rather, I guess, but you'd have to have different information, so why bother? Just use the one that works well. So I could pair up h divided by the sine of its opposite angle and set that equal to any other length divided by the sine of its opposite angle. And I don't know the angle opposite 40, but I should be able to find it because I have 2 of 3 angles of a triangle, and in a triangle those always add up to 180. So this would be 54. You okay with where I'm getting at? 56? Okay, well, be careful with your arithmetic, but are you okay with the process there? Okay, so that's part A. There's the equation. And then part B, actually solve for the height. So multiply both sides by the sine of 30. I could expect you to know what the sine of 30 is because we know the unit circle, but I wouldn't expect you to know what the sine of 56 is. So you will need to go to your calculator. You'll want to be in degree mode. And then ask it what is 40 sine of 30 over the sine of 56. So about 75.776 meters.
This is
24.12. 24.12. Okay. Did I not just change this to radian mode? Or I mean degree mode?
No, you changed it. You changed it to radian.
Oh, okay. Well.
Change that little function here.
Oh, okay, yeah. I just misclicked that, yeah. I said it, but I didn't do it. Degrees. So there's nothing, notice, like, if I got that as an answer, I don't know, if this is 40 and I don't have any other links, that's not obviously wrong to me, which is, sometimes kind of scary. I said I needed to be in degree mode, but I thought I did it, but I didn't check it. So make sure that you check it before you circle your answer and move on. Is that okay?